So this is basically what we purchased, and from the I've showed you the worst bits of it, but in other instances it's not bad. The heater chamber, the pelham, I'm not sure how you say it, is good. And our wings and stuff are pretty good. Slam panel's good, bits of the front panel's good, scuttle's good, roof doesn't have any blisters in, which they normally do. Sills were US. Obviously I've showed you these panels, which are these fellas, so you can see that that's been messed with. So obviously this goes in here and fixes that. And again, easy made, easy to show you. That's the tree stump for foreman I was on about. So it isn't. Chassis being gone can be an expensive repair if you have to buy them. If you're going to make them, sheets of steel are from 36 quid per 8x4 up to 90 quid depending on the thickness that you're going to buy. So you can clearly see that you can make a chassis if shown very easy. So this is the other side of the same of that car. You can, because you've seen us walk around it. As you can see now, this side's repaired. Yes, it doesn't have any filler in it, but you can see that it's now straight, strong, and is going to make a good car from very, very, very humble beginnings. While I'm round here, a couple other projects is AC Cobra on the wall. Chassis and everything is in another room. I'll get to it when I get to it, lads. It's one of them. And my pride and joy is my GLX 3 litre facelift Mark 1. Love it. But again, it's super solid. Paint's faded and died, but I've put sills on it. I've got good second-hand wings for it, and basically I don't have a spray booth, so I'm gonna get all 3 cars ready for painting kind of round about the same time. This is a 2.8 that is finished. It was found in some brambles. Believe it or not, it basically it's had tons done. Bottoms of the doors have been repaired. It's had arches. It's had sills. It's had the front 300mm of the full front of the car was rotted, gone. So it's had new strengtheners. I'll grab a light. So it's had new strengtheners here. These which I produce, it's had bottoms of kick panels replaced. It had both front chassis were remade out of 2mm.